Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tender report from Michael in Kentucky on the RCI-2970N4. Michael, we've got a 3CX3000 crusher built in the works for you. It's just a console unit, all in one, and this right here will work out great for it. So we got you set up. We've already set you up with the 100 amp Dave made power supply with variable voltage, so you can custom tailor your drive level. So let's show you right here. Our power all the way down, 250 watt slug. Turns down to 20 watts, which is ample enough, and as high as 125. Show you average power swing. Hello, hello. A little over 250 bird average. 500 watt slug. Hello, in the corner. Let's pull that out. Put the 1000 watt slug in. Now, since you have the adjustable power supply, Michael, I've got this set on 14.7 right now, and I'll show you why in a minute. Whoa. So there's a hair over 600 peak. If you wanted to lower your peak swing level, you can go right over there on your supply, turn it down to around 12 volts. Hello. You can drop it to 400 if you want. And we'll go over to sideband, roll it all the way down. Drop your supply voltage a little 1, 2, 3. You're talking about 400, but then if you go over here to the 250 watt slug and bird average, you're only talking around 100, 125. But that's going to make some monster power on sideband. Okay? Of course, I'm going to be right here with you throughout the whole deal. If you have any questions, just give me a shout. Michael, I hope you enjoy it. Get ready to drop that big old hammer on them from your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.